Trieste has honored violinist Pierpaolo Foti with the city's bronze medal, recognizing his international career. Known for bringing classical music to a wider audience, he continues to promote the city's name around the world.
For me, this is an incredible emotions, because it's an honor, big honor for me, receive this prize. The Trieste culture is inside of my soul, and for me, it's a, a very emotional moment. This is an incredible moment for my career, for my life, and thank you for this. This is a start of all of the music of my street, art street, and for me it's very important.